Hey guys, this is Anna.lanuza with Compass Real Estate coming to you live from my beautiful open house located at 441 South Barrington Avenue, Unit 204 in the gorgeous building of the Cosmopolitan BW. This unit has it all. It has 24-hour concierge service. It has a pool that has a beautiful fire pit area so you can sit there and enjoy your evenings. It has its own gym with state-of-the-art equipment, completely serviced at all times. This building has it all. So this unit, it's 2 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, approximately 1,600 square feet. It has in-unit laundry, a stackable washer and dryer, which again, top of the line. The kitchen has been completely redone. It has hardwood floors throughout, high ceilings. Right now, this unit is staged beautifully, by the way, may I add. And anyway, you're centrally located near Brentwood Village, Century City, Santa Monica, easy access to the freeway. And again, you name it, you have it. Come on down, give me a call, 310-295-8807. 310-295-8807. Come on down and give me a call or send me a text message so I can let you in and take a look and write your offer. I have my laptop here and I love to work with you. So come on down. Anna.lanuza with Compass, 310-295-8807. I'll see you soon.